Public officials realized that the stigma attached to HIV and AIDS was getting in the way of testing and prevention efforts and keeping people from getting health care. Despite the best efforts of public health officials, medical professionals, HIV and AIDS advocates, and people living with HIV and AIDS, HIV-related discrimination continued. People living with HIV and AIDS, and even some people who were merely rumored to have HIV, were fired from their jobs, evicted from their homes, and denied access to medical care and social services based on their HIV status. After years of widespread discrimination, Congress passed a series of federal laws to protect people living with HIV and AIDS from discrimination based on their HIV status and give them the same legal protection as any other person with a medical disability. One of the first legal protections was the 1990 Americans with Disabilities Act. It expanded the reach of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and made discrimination on the basis of disability unlawful. In the first Supreme Court case involving HIV/AIDS discrimination, the court ruled that Congress intended HIV infection to be included as a disability under the ADA. HIV infection has been found to meet the definition of disability under federal and state laws protecting the disabled from all forms of discrimination. So therefore, there are laws placed so that we don't discriminate those who have HIV and AIDS, but unfortunately there is still some discrimination. And also those who discriminate those who have HIV and AIDS, they do not understand what it's